Yo, what's up guys? Today is collection day for the Fiesta. So all I have to do is do this one cap and then get ready for the guy to come collect it at 11 o'clock. So I need to wipe it all down, make it look nice, and then swap the two cars over for that BMW. Just getting rear window tints. So yeah, gonna put the camera on charge and I'll see you in a minute. We are gonna be using Chemical Guy's wrap detailer to get rid of all the dust, make it look a bit newer. So yeah.
Yo, what up?
Let's go. Getting some tints ready for the back of this. Are they that difficult or not too bad?
What this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Good.
It's just tucking down in the here in the corner because of where the partial shaft sits.
Yeah.
But with all the right tools, it goes down nicely.
Decent.
How are you getting on? Oh, I have.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna be tinting this. Just light smoke the back. Should be decent. Give another wipe down because of this dog. Yeah. Rear's on. What percent is that? That they're using on this?
Rear 80.
What, and on these ones?
Yeah, all the same. Yeah.
Okay. 80% and the front's going
30.
30%. Very nice, very nice. Right, tints done on this. Give it a quick clean, that's why it's wet on the floor. Just have to put it back where it was. Ugh. Alright, so I'm gonna get this ready for the bumper to come off before the customer comes here, because we're gonna be taking the bumper off and fitting the new one. So that'd be cool. So I just need to get the torque bits and screwdrivers and that ready to take this off. Got all my tools already off, ready for the owner to get here, and because he already test fitted the bumper, there's some bolts missing, so hopefully he's got them, otherwise he's gonna have to drive back with 6 bolts holding it on. But yeah, so we've got the RS styled grille, I believe. I will ask the customer when he gets here. That's going straight onto here. Straight swap, it's already ready to come off. I might put it down on the floor or something in a minute, just in case, don't know. Bumper's off. I'm gonna have to sort out this wiring harness to put these LEDs into the bumper over there. So wire this up, wrap the mesh in as well. But yeah, we'll show you what we can do when we do it. Alright, so I have completed all the wiring, all tucked up around here. That is the module on display as well, completely out of the way of everything. Everything's cable tied up. Fog lights are electrical taped up and the new cables are in. Test them out, all works fine. And into this, so we're just putting on the bumper now. And then yeah, should be fun. Oh, that looks smart as hell. I like that.
It's a lot better than that. Yeah. Love the colour, so nice.
It's cool.
Yeah, you happy? Good choice. Yeah. I love how the purple comes out really nice as it goes around.
It does look smart. Oh, it's front bumper. I'll get some videos. You literally, if you, well, I'll show you now. If you could, either, yeah, and then I'll get him to move back or something. A little bit more. That's in there. Perfect.
Finished up with the Fiesta. Customer loved it. He was super duper happy. We were wrapping some bike parts, but it's not sticking properly. So we're probably going to look at either spraying them or plastic dipping them. We will decide. That's it. Have a lovely weekend to all of you. And we'll see you later.